In this video, you'll learn how to log into your Robinhood account. This process is straightforward and will take you step by step through the necessary actions to gain access to your account. Begin by opening a web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type www.com and press the enter key. This action will take you to the Google homepage where you can start your search for Robinhood. Next, in the Google search bar, type Robinhood and hit enter again. After this, the search results will appear on your screen. Look for the official Robinhood website link, which typically includes the phrase, quote, robinhood.com, quote, in the URL. Once you locate the correct link, click on the entry that reads Robinhood 24/5 commission-free stock trading and investing. This will redirect you to the Robinhood homepage, where you can find the login option. After the homepage loads, look for the login button, usually positioned in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. Once the login page appears, you will see a prompt that says log in to Robinhood. Click on this option to access the fields where you will enter your credentials. Next, you will find a field labeled email. Click on this field and a cursor will appear, indicating it is ready for input. Type in the email address associated with your Robinhood account. After entering your email, click on the password field below it. Again, a cursor will appear in this field. Carefully type in your password, ensuring that you input it correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you have filled both fields, look for the login button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to submit your login credentials. After clicking login, the system will process your information. If your email and password are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case of any errors, double check your credentials before attempting to log in again.